Today I'm going to share with you my easy way to make the perfect baked potato. I like to use a russet potato. I think that their skin puffs up the best and becomes crisp in the oven, and the high starch content, it creates a delicious fluffy interior. So first you start with preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you can either line your cookie sheet with parchment paper or tin foil. And then just wash the potatoes off, dry them with a clean kitchen towel. After that, you poke holes in the potato a few times with a fork or a small paring knife. And next, season the potatoes. I like to rub them with an olive oil, and then I sprinkle them liberally with sea salt or a kosher salt, or you can even do a seasoned salt, whatever you like to use on the outside. And then place them on a baking sheet, and then put them into the oven to bake. It's going to take approximately 50 to 60 minutes, depending on the size of the potato, to bake. The time will vary depending on your size. The bigger potato, the longer it'll take. But in general, it's about 50 to 60 minutes. I go ahead and I check the potatoes. You can kind of tell when they're done. I can check them with a fork. The fork will go in nice and easy. The skin on the outside will look a little bit papery, and it'll be crispy. And the inside, even if you use a knife, it will not like support the nut. You couldn't pick the potato up with a knife. It'll insert really nice and easy. And then you can add your favorite toppings. Gosh, there's so many options for toppings. You can use sour cream, butter, Greek yogurt, salsa, broccoli, cauliflower that's been steamed, even homemade chili, maybe some diced chicken or ham. You can really dress it up with barbecue sauce, ranch dressing, shredded cheese, onions, chives, green peppers. Have your potato your favorite way. Either way, this is a really easy recipe and a great side dish, just like the restaurants make. Get all the details on the recipe website. Take care.